Welcome back to my channel. Shai here. Sunday dito ngayon at nag-ready kami na magsimba. So, we'll see you soon. So, dito na tayo sa car ngayon. Ang lamig na. Malamig na dito. And, ayan na si Yan. Are you ready, sister?
Absolutely ready.
Absolutely. Absolutely pang nalalaman. At wala tayong driver. Kaya, tulog pa ang driver. Nilalamig. Nilalamig si Tony gumising. Kaya, nagpo-frost yung, yung windows sa likod. Gawa nga ng malamig na. Malamig na, pero it's okay. Kailangan namin magsimba. So, ready. Ready to rock and roll. La 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 la. Sama kayo sa amin, ha? Talagang kailangan pa na yan yung mga para safe.
First.
Para safe. Alright, here we go. Eight o'clock yung mass. Kaya ang aga pa. Kailangan
Anong oras
namin,
pa lang? 7.
yeah. Kailangan namin gumising ng ng 7 o'clock or before 7 para mag-ready. Pag uwi niya yan sa Pinas, ako na lang yung magsimba kasi ang aking kasama gusto mag-sleep in.
Sanay ka naman no?
Char, yeah. I'm sanay na, sister.
Masilaw.
Maano na yung araw. Medyo mainit na. Ang kulit ng araw, as in. So yan kanina, kailangan ko pang gisingin yan eh. Nilalamig.
Nakabalot nga yung kumot sa akin eh.
Nilalamig ko si sister. Alright, sister. Okay. We'll be right back.
Bye! See you in a bit. Nakarating na kami sa simbahan. At si Nini. Hello, Ni! Anong ginagawa mo?
Maano, hindi makita yung likod. Kaya ayan, kailangan kong punasan. Char.
May bagong tagapunas ng sasakyan. Hindi pa naman 8 kaya magtatambay muna kami dito sa sasakyan. Ilan kailangan mo, Ineng? Magkano kailangan mo? Kailangan mo ng baon?
5 piso lang po.
5 piso lang daw. Piso lang yung pera ko, Ineng.
Dito na kami sa simbahan. Parking na kami. Hindi ko kasi makita mag-drive.
Well, see you in a bit.
Andito na tayo ngayon sa simbahan. Medyo mainit sa Medyo mainit yung araw sa likod. Nagsidatingan na yung mga tao. Ayan yung simbahan, oh. Pakita ko sa inyo kasi hindi pa gaano madami. Ayan. Okay, papasok muna kami. Hello, we're back! At tapos na ang simba. Dito na kami sa bahay. Kakarating lang namin. Saka siya yan uli ang kasama ko. So, nakauwi kami ng safe. So, this is good. Nagluluto si Tony ng dinner. What are you cooking? Good looking?
Somebody's hungry, Ariana. That's why she's talking sweet to me.
Now you're cutting the onion. He is my chef with 4 eyes.
With 4 eyes. Hey! Telling me like that?
And Ayala is there in the lounge, just keep laughing. Sige lang, tawa lang.
Because she thinks you're a clown.
No, I'm not a clown. Just do your job
Ooh, the big boss.
so that we will have dinner tonight. What is that? The one that you're cutting?
Yeah, the boss is here. Ooh, I better be careful.
Yep.
Am I
So
getting-
Tony will be making a
Beef and oxtail soup.
Yeah, beef and oxtail soup.
Beef, oxtail, and veg.
Yay, I'm looking forward. We'll be right back. And Tony will be using a, what do you call that again, Bobby? Pressure
Pressure cooker.
I supposed to say precious cooker.
Precious. I think
Pag-ayaw.
your English is going backwards again.
I know. You didn't put garlic?
I will.
Okay. That looks like onion.
Yeah, I'll put the onion first.
Okay.
I want to saute it to get the flavor
Yep.
going.
Pag ayaw ko magluto, sinasabihan ko masarap yung luto niya. So, nagluluto siya lagi. We'll be right back. Magic stuff. You really need to put it, Bobby.
Yeah, why not? Yeah, when I put the...
Okay. And what are the ingredients?
Onion, stock, chicken stock in the beef, just to mix the salt, Filipino equipment,
Filipino equipment. And you got carrots in there. Hindi kami umalis ngayon, nag-stay lang kami dito sa bahay. Kasi parang medyo malamig na eh, kaya dito lang kami. So ayan, nagluluto pa rin si Tony. Sige, magluto ka lang. Sorry. So yan ang mga ingredients. What are you cutting now, Bobby? What do you call that? Parang hindi niya alam.
That's a parsnip,
Yeah. Celery.
celery,
Parsnip, celery. Tapos,
sweet.
okay, swigda. Carrots. So,
Carrots, potatoes,
nagawa siya ng sabaw. So, malamig na. And you already put the...
the beef bones, and the oxtail.
Okay, we will be right back. Nagkakat pa rin siya ng mga ingredients. Ganyan yan magluto. Ang bilis. Parang nagmamadali. Parang may pupuntahan ba? It's dinner time. Right? So,
Very
ayan,
nice.
oxtail siya.
Very sweet.
Ito na yung soup na gawa ni Tony. So, how's your dinner?
Very nice.
Ganyan sa kagutom, hindi na tumitingin. Bye. Bye.